Okay guys, this is one short video. I'm Eddie V. Thank you for joining in. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and here's some other additional information. This is a short video, and I'm going to explain, guys, if you own a BMW or a BMW guy, you must have this. It's a short video. I don't need much to tell you guys, but with this short video, I gotta explain what you need. You need a quart of BMW oil. You know why, guys? It is because of the fact that BMWs leak oil or burn oil. Sooner or later, your BMW is going to leak or burn oil. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and have a quart of oil in hand just in case. And guys, I'm Eddie V. Thank you for watching this channel, and I'll see you next time.